Welcome to Neon Harbor, where every step is an adventure.
And every leap is a thrill.
Uh-oh, that doesn't look good.
Stay calm. We need to find a way out, fast. Ezra, now, jump to the ledge.
Catch me if you can.
Trust and teamwork light the way in the glowing chaos of the city.
That was intense. But hey, we made it!